Ooh, massive scrum from Pumas. But ball comes out for Namibia. Joshua sees the space. Nobody at home. Chase is on. Oh, the bounce is good. In favor. On the foot. 4 more. Ball is delivered. Who's going to get there? And it's a try. The pace. Big scrum. Ball comes out for Namibia. Joshua gets it, goes around. He finds his space. Inside. Is it all the way? It looks like it's all the way. Joshua played. What a try. He sees the space and he takes it on. And a few replacements now for Pumas.
Injury replacement as well. Tap and go from Namibia. Is he going to go all the way? Yes, he goes all the way. It is Jean-Ray Burger. Scores the try.
Dwars hierdie gaping. 'n man om te klop. Nie 'n goeie aangee nie, maar steeds beskikbaar.
Move.
Hallo mate. Kom die bal hier Janne. Ja, dat is 'n cool step. En alles gaan oop vir hom. En hy gaan afrond daar. Dis Bulele.
Fine.
Strafskop weer vir die Pumas.
There. Step you.
Tiksoppie. Probeer 'n man weggooi.
Tackle, roll.
Fopangia. En hy sit hom neer. Hy sit nou ingesit.
Sit.
Deur
No, you wait. Yes, no.
Van Wyk. Diallo mate. Hierdie aan gekry. Gaan dit wees. En ongelukkig die kantlyn die wat wen in die diskant. En dit is tyd